Joey, this is my '70 Z28 Camaro, which I've had since 1990. I bought this car in California when I lived out there. I lived out there for 18 years. I bought this car from the original owner, Dr. Edward Sadin, who's a Good Samaritan Hospital surgeon, chief surgeon in downtown LA. That's where I found the car. I had the car since 1990, like I said. I have the original hood for the car. I just think it looks better with this hood on it. I have original wheels for the car, not tires, and it's a numbers matching car, and it's a real McCoy.
How does it drive, Joey?
Drives great. Drives like, it's fun to drive. The only thing is you get stuck in traffic, you got to shift a lot. You know, it's a 4-speed car. It's real responsive. The motor's only got 24,000 miles on it. It's all original. It's got headers on it. That's about the only thing that's not original on the car.
What's the rear?
The rear's got a 373 12-volt posi.
Okay.
It's a 4-speed M22 rock crusher.
You did a few touches yourself, like the hood and the wheels,
Yeah,
but you have the original hood and the wheels.
The car has been repainted once because when we put the hood on, they said they couldn't match a 30-year-old paint. That was about, I think, about 10 years ago. It was repainted. Ever since then, I've just been keeping it clean, driving only on the summers, and car shows and events, cruise nights, and runs great.
You're not exactly happy to see it go, huh?
No, but the thing is, I'm getting up in age. You know, I'm getting almost 70 years old. I've had the car a long time. It's time to move the car along because I have 2 other cars, which I'm going to keep the one and just sell this because I've had it a long time, and I think somebody else is going to enjoy it, and I think it's going to make me some good money.
All right, on to the next guy. Joey, great owner, and we'll take a walk around. Again, this is a 2-owner car.
Yeah, I bought it for its owner.
The gentleman who originally bought it while he was stationed in Vietnam, he ordered it. Correct, Joey?
Yeah, he ordered it. He's a naval surgeon.
He was a naval surgeon.
Navy. When he was just getting out of the service, he ordered it before he got out of Vietnam.
Mm-hmm. You want to start it up for us? All right.